What's up, Big Ginn? What's up with y'all, man? How y'all doing tonight? Charlotte, what's happening?
Hey, I'm coming straight out of Charlotte, man. I want to do my thing for y'all right quick. Y'all got to come a little closer right quick for me one time.
Let's go.
I walked in the club with them bands on me. Bands taking their hands off. Any car your friend like chandeliers. I can't fuck with that bitch as you top tip. She gon' do a little damn, make it rain on. She want me to fuck her with my chains on. In the crib, beat her back with the pain on. She said that you was so good for my name on. Who you gon' do it like that? Why you know the city to the child? I can't make a strap. And you know I'm moving that pad. Who you gon' do it like that? Who you know sitting in the chopper? The whole pack stand down just to get it right back. I had to stay down and get it. You know I had to go and grind. Money on money, I'm counting them hundreds, I'm making it rain, trying to drown them. I know what time it is, man. Where my trap niggas at? Where my fucking trap niggas at, man? Ain't no trap niggas on this bitch. Alright, get up and go, I ain't made no money out ride, so I'm still in the trap. Got two scales on me right now. Pull up, bring it where you at. I'm trying to get rich out right here. My little bitch, this ain't no cap. If I ain't fucking too bad, then don't try to give me no doubt. They doing this shit for clout with me. I'm trying to buy mama a house. I'm trying to buy some of my mama. Remember, I was bringing up on the house. Now I get this shit by a pound. I'm shit to get out, pull it right now. Still post up at my granny crib when the boys can't come around. Got a Draco on the front seat. Feel bad if a nigga try me. 762 or 223, it don't even really matter to me. Now I run the whole city before I go broke. You know I ain't just up on the road. But not just smoke, I like this clown. I ain't made no money off rap, so I'm still in the trap. Got two scales on me right now. Pull up, bring it where you at. I'm trying to get rich off rap. Hell no, little bitch, this ain't no cap. If I ain't fucking too bad, then don't try to give me no doubt. Ain't made no money off rap, so I'm still in the trap. Got two scales on me right now. Pull up, bring it where you at. I'm trying to get rich off rap. Hell no, little bitch, this ain't no cap. If I ain't fucking too bad, then don't try to give me no doubt. Two cell phone jumping, bitch, I'm getting money. Used to post up with the junkies in the trap, right down the onions. Can't cut her in the kitchen. Now watch him work his wrists. The day he up that Drake, I know they wish he missed. All my niggas got bodies, and we keep it silent. We the ones gon' spin your block and leave that hoe bitch quiet. Got choppers like Bin Laden. Tell them boys come on outside. All I do is raise my hand. I got some youngins that's gon' fly. Ain't made no money out rap, so I'm still in the trap. Got two scales on me right now. Pull up, bring it where you at. I'm tryna get rich on rap. My little bitch, this ain't no cap. If I ain't fucking too bad, then don't try to give me no doubt. Ain't make no money off rap, so I'm still in the trap. Got two scales on me right now. Bring it where you at. I'm tryna get rich on rap. Man, straight out the start of this shit. It's that murder shit right here, though. He said, hey, put that boy up till the night, that nigga died, he ain't surviving. I'm still trying to get my lick back, but the world don't come outside. You say it's smoking, why you high? I know you scared, but why you lying? Why you tell on the boys about the bodies, now you crying? Still with this time to slide, get for fires, them got now. You gotta ask about that last nigga that tried to run me down. Hey, I can't be for rats, I need to turn the wild like black. I'm black, Ricky. That boy all in his fucking back. Why you playing with me? Like they take them shit. I swear to God, somebody died and put big little footage. Since we got cussed today, still don't walk your ass out with this thing. And I be itching for a body. Please don't make me catch a nut. I keep that shell catcher. 357, this bitch is slow. Yeah, that's my microwave. 5.56 is that baby milk. I seen no Instagram. Just pop me a perk. Who tryna die today? I'm tryna walk down with this 38. These niggas be rats but claim they killers. I don't understand. How the fuck you get your dog smoked and try to take this old cow around ratting ass, pussy ass, nigga? Ain't no gangster, you a bitch, so why you acting like a killer? Hey, niggas out here lying, talking about what they gon' do to me. Hit them with that switch tie, 2 for 3. Off in that strike, that bitch bad, but I can't wait. I got it, you pull up, take your soul, like how that nigga swipe. With that boy, now that nigga died, he ain't surviving. I'm still trying to get my lick back, but